besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi, and today I am working with my non-dominant hand to do some fresh nails on my dominant hand. And you see how I'm off camera there? That's just going to be a theme for the whole thing. I also, on the marble nail, I forgot to press record, so I'm sorry. That's not going to be here. I did these nails, and then let me back up. I sculpted the nails and then decided what I was going to do and painted them, and that all happened on the same day. And actually I had intended last night to work on my other hand as well, but honestly it doesn't have any nails on it at all because something happened last night and it just totally ruined the rest of the evening, and I didn't finish this set until today. So you know, sometimes that's just how it is. So there you go. So really, I'm only going to show you these two nails, and I will tell you what happened as well. I'm not going to leave you with a mystery, but I am showing you that. Oh wow, I am still not doing well from what happened, guys. I am showing you the thumbnail as I do that, and then I show you one other nail, and you'll see that here shortly. And I'm just trying to get it nice and even before I put it in the lamp for a quick 20 seconds, and then I am pinching it. And again, off camera, I am just using my little flashlight and giving it a quick little flash cure before I put it in the lamp for another 30 seconds. And now I'm just going in and filling out the structure, just giving it some structure, making everything nice and smooth and pretty. So, and there's going to be a point in the video where you start noticing that something's happening, and I will point that out to you in case you miss it. But when I was editing the video, it was so obvious to me what was going on that I'm surprised it took me by surprise. I don't really talk about it very much, actually at all on this channel, but, or maybe I've mentioned it, but I have a panic and anxiety disorder that accompanies my bipolarness, and last night I had a pretty bad anxiety attack, and it almost verged into a full-blown panic attack, but I managed to keep it in the anxiety realms. If you want to hear a little more about that, go to my other channel. I did a super short video about that today, but that's why I should have finished this set last night and had my other hand finished and have another video for you for tomorrow, but I still have to do my other hand, and that'll probably happen later tonight, assuming I can get it together. But once I had the panic attack, I'm done. After that, I'm done. I can't do anything else. And I just picked myself up off the floor and got my dog and went and laid down, and had a very crappy night's sleep with lots of weird dreams and lots of waking up scared and startled. And this morning I'm still, well, it's not even morning anymore, it's afternoon, and I'm still shaky and struggling. So you're going to be able to see that here in a little bit in this video as well. I got to run to the door and let my dog in. Come on. which he could have pushed the door open, but he was being a little brat. So now we have fast forwarded to the point where I am starting to do the polish, and can look at how much I'm shaking. Look at how sloppy my application is, which, look at my hand. This is sped up, so it does look a little more pronounced, but you can see that I am shaking so hard, and I already shake a lot. But even on my hand that's my dominant hand is shaking, and I didn't notice that right away. And throughout all of this polishing and whatnot, I really was struggling, and I didn't notice it until it was already to the point where the attack was happening and I couldn't stop it. So I think if I had just really been more focused on myself and not on getting, you know, the video done, maybe I could have caught it in time. But you know what? You never know. I can be in the grocery store thinking about, you know, how much I'm about to pay for groceries, or about the magazine on the rack, and the next thing I know, I'm passed out because I had another bad anxiety attack. I didn't show cleaning up that mess this time because you saw it once already. We're just doing a tiny little ombre here, and I'm going to add some glitter on top of that in the purple glitter from the Model 1s. And just like that glitter. Okay, there's the marble that I forgot to do, guys, on camera. I'm so sorry. Now on this finger, we are doing the purple glitter most of the way down, and then just at the tip in sort of a 3/4 ombre, we're going to add some gold glitter. The gold glitter, because I just thought that would look so pretty together. And then I'm going to use those topaz shimmer gems and the peridot shimmer gems, and it brings out the color from the gold. So I just really thought it was a good combo. I'm just going in with a little bit extra to make sure that it's all opaque. And now we're coming in on the tip with that gold. And just going to blend it up a little bit to put some of the gold up with that purple and give it more of an ombre feel. Ooh, I love that. I think it looks so cute. I am shocked that I didn't get black polish literally everywhere when I did this. I was holding my breath the whole time. But it came out pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with it. I really like that Model 1's black. It really is just a one coat, and you are good. I did 2 coats, but only because of my application wasn't perfect, not because the polish wasn't good. Because I don't do 2 coats on this one. And I'm going to do black on one side, and then just a little tiny sliver of that teal down the other side. And I'm going to make a bit of a mess. And of course I am going to clean that up as well. Just a bit of a mess. Okay, now from here you can really tell that the shaking is starting pretty bad. And right after I get these 3 stones on, I stop for the night and have that little attack. And then everything else you see after these 3 stones go on is today. And I'm feeling a lot better. Not all the way better, but at least I'm far enough away from that panic attack, or that rather anxiety attack, that I feel like I'm going to be okay. See, oh my goodness, I'm so shaking. And that is, whew, I'm already a shaky person. So when the anxiety's kicking in, it's no bueno. I still am really loving, I can't keep my eyes off that glitter nail, even with the Swarovskis. It's like, give me that glitter. Give me that glitter. But these topaz gems are just scrumptious. I absolutely love them. I wish I had been more careful when I put my finger in the lamp, because my bling placement here ended up not being perfect. and that bums me out. I also added a couple of micro beads there. Now we're coming in, this is today. The rest of that was yesterday, and I'm a lot less shaky, but still a little, and staying with the recurring theme of off camera, you cannot see me put down this first green gem. We're going to put 2 green gems down, and then we're going to add 1 more topaz to make the triangle complete. Kind of a cascade of gems, if you will. Guys, the rest of this video is so self-explanatory. I'm just going to let it play out. There are going to be some reveal shots at the end. I need to go lay down. So I'm going to finish putting this video together for you guys. I really hope that you enjoy it. Be sure to stay, because that glitter top coat, oh, that is beautiful. But thank you so much for watching. I absolutely adore you guys. You are the best. I'm going to go lay down in hopes that I will be able to do another set for you tonight. Oh, also, I missed Friday, which is another story on its own. I have a set. I have the footage. It's Valentine's stuff. There's a story that goes into why, a small weird story that goes into why I didn't post it. If you would like to see that and hear why I didn't post it, let me know, because I can go ahead and edit it and put it up for you guys. Okay. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a marvelous day, and we will see you tomorrow.